So I've been at ProtoCAM since about 2011. They needed some technology help, and I came in to do some projects for them. Ended up getting involved, falling in love with the company, and a position came open, and I came up to the Lehigh Valley, and I've been enjoying it ever since. The company used to be based out of an old farmer's market, and so being a technology guy, I really enjoyed that they're doing cutting edge stuff. So it was literally making rocket parts in the middle of a cornfield, and it just blew me away that such a cool little company was doing things for such big places like NASA and huge tech, as well as medical and consumer goods. So it was a fascinating arrangement with a bunch of really fun people. In reality, no, I cannot explain exactly what I do at ProtoCAM. Technology is my main focus, and being a small company doing big things, we leverage technology pretty hard, so it's a great challenge to automate and streamline and use it to its full advantage. But being a small company, I get to do all types of things. One day I may be working in servers and security. The other days I may be back getting pulled into the shop to either rewire something. It could be in the building, or it could be helping out with the guys producing parts, helping out at trade shows, instructing, teaching customers. And I love the variety. It's something different every day. So it's not just the variety of projects that we work on for customers, but being a small company, it's a variety of our individual tasks that we do when we're here on a daily basis. So ProtoCAM takes an active role in education. I mean, to us, as far as the customer side, an educated customer is a great customer, because there's a lot of mythology that's especially come out in the media over the last 2 years about what 3D printing is, what additive manufacturing is, and so misconceptions can stand in the way of having projects run well. People who know what we're doing are amazed at what we do. People who try to look at the hype, they get confused. So it's great to get out to customers, but as well as to schools. We'll go out and help students get an idea of what the field is, of what the potential career paths may be in not only additive manufacturing, but in technology and manufacturing in general. We do a wide variety of technologies, a wide variety of products, a wide variety of projects, and we really can help out in quite a few manufacturing processes. So much of what we do is development work, and people come in an early phase and we help them get it through to a final production phase. But a lot of people don't realize that we can help them source an injection molder. We can help them find a plater. We can help them get things that, even if we don't do it in-house, we have connections through the entire scope of manufacturing processes. So we don't have to just be the prototype shop. We don't have to just be the short-term manufacturer. We can help them with pretty much all phases of product development.